Hello everyone, let's have a look to the main bathroom in this building. As you can see, we've done all piping in here. We've got water pipes in here going into the bath. And them two pipes are going into the towel radiator. It's very important to keep that in 90 degrees. Yeah. This is a flow pipe, this is the return pipe. The radiator will come into the side. We've got shower in here, so we prepared pipes for the shower tap in here. Them pipes are 25 millimeters, reducing to 20. Them two pipes are going into the boiler room. There is a small wash basin, and in here we've got outlet pipes for the shower and for that wash basin. As you can see, we've got in here big pipe, orange one. This pipe is only to prevent that pipe inside, yeah, from the damages or something like that. And in here we've got that 4-way fitting, so we connect toilet flusher in here, and in there we've got another T and reducing from 100 to 50 millimeters for the washing machine, which is in the boiler room. And this pipe in here, this is the vent pipe. As I said you before, them pipes are prepared for the wash basin in here. So we are finished for now. Well, in here you can very closely see what I was talking about that pipe, orange one. The builders put that pipe to prevent this pipe in here from damages. Yeah. Push fit fittings in there. So let's have a look what we've done in the boiler room now. Now I show you the boiler room. Loads of pipes in here, as you can see. And let's start from beginning. In here we've got the main water pipe with the main valve. In here we're gonna put water meter. This is reducing pressure valve. We've got some filter. You can open this and change that white filter inside. We've got another valve in here, and 32 mil pipe. It's going in here, and it will connect to the hot water cylinder. This is the cold water for the hot water water cylinder. Yeah, we've got a circulation pipe in here prepared, and hot water pipe on the top. And then above the hot water cylinder we will have a gas boiler. Yeah. Then pipes are prepared for the manifold, flow and return pipe. We're gonna make a hole in here in this wall, and then we're gonna put the manifold for the floor heating system in here. On the corner we've got pipes prepared for the washing machine. In here we've got pipes for the small wash basin, and the pipes for the towel radiator. This pipe is going into the garage, and then pipes are going into the radiator in the garage. Yeah, then pipes are going into that small toilet in here. We prepared water pipes for the wash basin, small one, and for the toilet flusher, and then pipes are going into the kitchen, and they are prepared to the kitchen sink in here, and for the dishwasher. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.